Ever found yourself needing some US dollars, maybe for a trip across the border or an online purchase, and wondered, can I actually buy USD from TD Bank? Thinking face, it's a common question, and today, we're breaking down exactly how you can get your hands on US dollars through TD Bank. The good news is, yes, you can buy USD from TD Bank. Whether you're a longtime customer or just looking for a convenient way to get some American cash, TD offers several ways to do this. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all scenario, and the best method depends on your needs. The most straightforward way is to order foreign currency directly from TD Bank. You can do this through their EasyWeb online banking system or by visiting a branch in person. TD typically stocks common currencies like US dollars, euros, and British pounds at most branches for immediate purchase. For other currencies, or if you want to ensure availability, it's best to order in advance. Online orders usually take about 3 to 7 business days for pickup at your chosen branch. You can also use the TD app to place an order, making it super convenient. For those in larger cities, TD has dedicated foreign exchange centers. These locations often have a wider variety of currencies, including USD, and precious metals available for immediate purchase. If you need a significant amount or a less common currency on the spot, this could be your best bet. US Dollar Accounts Money Bag. If you frequently deal with US dollars, opening a TD US dollar account might be a smart move. This allows you to hold funds in USD, avoiding constant conversions and potentially saving on exchange rate fluctuations. You can easily transfer funds between your Canadian dollar and US dollar accounts online via EasyWeb or the TD app. Some US dollar accounts, like the Borderless plan, even offer preferred exchange rates for certain transactions. It's crucial to understand that when you exchange currency with TD, or any bank, they use their own exchange rates, which include a markup or a spread. This means the rate you get will be different from the mid-market rate you might see on financial news sites. TD's rates can fluctuate throughout the day, so the rate you see at one moment might be slightly different when you complete your transaction. There might also be transaction fees depending on your account type and how you conduct the exchange. For instance, online orders might have a minimum order amount, e.g., 100 Canadian dollars. While TD offers a convenient service, for larger amounts or frequent exchanges, you might find more competitive rates with third-party currency exchange services. But for ease and accessibility, especially if you're already a TD customer, buying USD directly from them is a solid option. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.